Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by reproducing the issue exactly as the user did. Do this now while keeping the device connected. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging, then run a DB bug report to gather full logs and traces. Make sure to capture screenshots and a short screen recording that shows the failure steps and timestamps. You need both system logs and user-visible evidence, so later analysis points directly to the failing workflow rather than guesswork. You now open the bug report and focus on logcat around the failure time. Filter for error, fatal, ANR, or exception traces, and follow the stack frames to the app package and native modules. Once you identify suspect methods, reproduce with ADB shell mstart and attach a debugger or log additional statements to confirm causality. Also cross-check the device build, kernel, and vendor versions, because platform mismatches often explain intermittent faults. And make sure to note any recent. You apply a focused fix that addresses the root cause discovered in the traces, then add tests that prevent regression. Build and sideload the patched APK or firmware onto a clean Oppo device, reproduce the original steps, and run full regression cases. Once verified, update the bug report with the root cause analysis, patch diff, test results, and installation instructions so QA can validate. If something still fails, recapture a fresh bug report immediately after the failure to capture new traces for deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.